Welcome back to As in the Heart on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV Channel 98 on top of GoTV Cable. And we will discuss religious regulations inside Obodo, Nigeria with specific reference to the Kaduna situation. Make I just try put everything down so that everybody go understand where they come from. The Kaduna State Governor and the law people them for inside that state don't look and say religion now one major problem. Something when they cause major problem also for different parts of Nigeria, especially if you check the Kaduna example and then come up with bill when we say it go regulate the way when we say people they behave their behavior inside religion when we say the thing no go they cause problems. Ezukuchuku de Anunku be there inside studio and now this matter now we they discuss. You self get the right to call in and chook your mouth for inside this contribution. Make everybody remember say the essence of our discussion at the end of the day now for us to pick out the good ones so that we go see how we take free apply them for our society to move this our country forward.
And we just as we talk, our phone lines today very open for now to call so that at least especially people in the Kaduna we don't mind if we get calls from now. So make we also know how this thing take at least how it take effect now. When I something when I like as indigenous of the state, I've been at something we say when I get slight difference for. Okay, our phone lines today open. Make us bring in the call. We get Oga Sule. Oga Sule, the call us from Abuja. Good morning, Sule.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Oga Chukudi.
I agree to Oga Sule.
Good morning, sir.
I agree to Oga Sule.
This your brother. It seems to me he's a friend to the governor of Kaduna State.
Answer the question.
One thing is that I will advise the governor of Kaduna State to go and seek for advice from the past governor, that's McCarthy. How did McCarthy hold Kaduna State? During McCarthy time, McCarthy bring the Christians, the Muslims together. Their youth even realize what has been happening. They now comes together and say, okay, we should abolish this thing that we are doing. It's not the best of our interest. But now this man comes in now because he's a governor of demolition. So he comes down to demolish everything that has been sown in that place. We know actually things are happening like that in Kaduna State. I am indigenous of Kaduna State, from Southern Kaduna.
Okay.
But this man is not doing well for us.
Okay.
As he is acting like this.
Oga Sule, quickly, one quick question.
Yes, sir.
What is stir up this thing that McAfee say him bring Christians and Muslims? What is stir him up? Not the same crisis we play out.
That issue of the Christianity and Muslim. So McAfee brought these people together, and youth were the one involved. And then youth now take it upon themselves. Okay, let's.
Oga Sule.
I'm hearing, sir.
Okay, we don't get your opinion. Thank you very much for this contribution. And you don't drop your own point on top of this now, indigenous of Kaduna where you be. We get Halima. Halima, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Halima.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm a first-time caller. Chukudi, kudos to you.
Halima, thank you very much for calling.
Halima, continue.
Honestly, this decision of El-Rufai is not the matter of taking side with the Muslim or the Christian.
Okay.
There was a caller that said Christians should be careful. See, religion of a thing is a mind thing. So this decision is, we are Nigerians. We have our laws. We have our culture.
Exactly.
So just one law out of the blue that nobody should use loudspeaker in the place of worship. Nobody should play religious CDs in his car. It's very wrong. Very, very wrong.
Okay. Halima, thank you very much for your opinion. We don't hear your own view about this matter. With your own, we say the decision, let's say the governor take him too far. Say
no be take him too far. Wait till I talk, now she don't talk. This thing a thing of the mind.
Chukudi.
We don't say you go put regulations in place, but if you want change people mindset, now through teaching them. We get Charles, they call us from Charles, good morning and welcome.
Charles, good morning.
Chukudi, my brother, good morning.
I agree to your guy, Charles.
Good morning.
Good morning, Charles.
You know, we where they live Kaduna here, make una they hear us.
Okay.
The for Kaduna here, we say this is our governor. The thing where we see vote and not the thing where they see now.
Okay. Why you talk so? They hear you. Why you talk so?
Instead of him to do this religion on the way he bring it now, my brother, let me tell you the truth. We waiting for Kaduna here. We Christian. Make you tell you the truth. This thing will cause wahala because the way we Christian they think, not be the way the Muslim they think. They think will cause more wahala. People for Kaduna just keep quiet. They watch. Immediately they put this law into signing.
Into law.
I tell you, into law, wahala will start for Kaduna. We should advise this our governor. Let him. Kaduna have no roads, unemployment. Since this man has been there, I don't know whether he don't have any agenda for Kaduna State. He started to demolish. The Senator Shehu Sani cautioned him. They get to Wahala, they suspend that one. Now he keep on marking houses. Now he keep on putting laws. I don't know what kind of change we find ourselves. So far Kaduna is concerned. Kaduna have majority of Christian and some majority of Muslim. Anything law now will cause problem this state. We are living in peace in Kaduna. Let this man leave this religion something and focus attention in infrastructure.
Other areas.
Oga Charles calling us all the way from Kaduna. Thank you very, very much. No, thank him very, very much for me. Thank him for me.
What did I talk with different from?
When I start, when I start, you take him like say.
No, Chukudi. I won't just talk. No, I'm not talking.
I tell you, say we face many problems for the country. If you
accepted,
if I get work, I'm gonna go there between. I'm gonna fast for 12 hours.
Chukudi, the law they introduced.
Frank, they call us from Port Harcourt.
Well, to
you are already finished, though.
You are finished.
Kaduna people are finished.
You are finished. Don't tell me I'm finished.
Oh yeah, Frank. Oga Frank, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Frank.
Chukudi, good morning, and Kubi, my friend.
Good morning, Oga Frank.
But if you want to discuss, you know the people Kaduna. You know, say for this Nigeria, what we do, you think they tell us here for this country now about religion crisis. They will do that.
Okay.
You know, say for here, what we do, now be Christian and not be Muslim.
Okay.
But I be somebody that is straightforward. You know, say for this country, we do now. That today for this community, this our South area. You know, go see a Muslim will come out for main road, the street, make you leave Christianity, enter, follow the enter their mosque. So anyone who do, you know, say the voice just stand on one time, stand on the beat, before you go to the beat and see that. So for the law, when put for that place, it depends how they put the law for them. Because, you know, say, as they put that law now, if somebody want at the yard of that city, say, then, you know, put the law, well, it's on that one. If for that place, like, how they put the law, if somebody now who want something for that area now, go down front to say one thing for that area. You know, as the person, what is the topic of the thing, one thing, it's not a talk, some people, like, if you go there, go to say, repent, it's a Muslim.
Okay.
Do that.
Okay.
So, until and before you go, know.
Okay.
So, put the law, you get the topic one.
Where you go fit adjust to. Thank you very much, Oga Frank, for this your opinion. You also drop your own on top of this matter, even though you did for PH. We get another caller right now with the callers from Kaduna. Good morning, Dorcas.
Hello.
Good morning, Dorcas.
Good morning.
Will they hear you right on?
Oga Chukwu, I greet you.
I greet you, Dorcas.
Well done.
Thank you.
I say this thing they vex me. This law where this man, this El-Rufai they put, the thing they vex me maybe small.
Why you talk so?
Problem and this man one cause. Now big problem in one cause. You get better things where you go carry pull off. Maybe this kind of ones you go carry the pull off. I know because the crisis will happen during that Sharia period. My brother, I know what I go through. I know waiting I go through. So that's also the way they put out. Make it just look for another thing. But maybe this one. I take a beggar, make him look for another thing.
Dorcas, thank you very much for your contribution.
Dorcas, noticing maybe this thing was still for that.
They beg me, and you, Uncle B, you stand there, this is a better thing.
No, I'm not talking about better thing, but at least let them get adjustment somehow so that at least no go cause subsequent crisis.
I beg, this thing they vex me, I beg.
Dorcas, I beg no vex. Just end the call there. Oga Charles from PH talk say, preacher they come in, they go ask him the topic when you want preach. Every religion for Nigeria, whether Christianity, Islam, or African traditional religion, what all of them they preach peace. Excuse me.
No doubt.
Excuse me. But in the practice of the various religions, will they see peace?
Chukudi.
No, we dey see peace.
That is why, look.
Christianity put am say, if they slap you here, turn this place, make them slap you. True or false? Islam talk say, Islam is a religion of peace.
They call us from Abuja. Good morning, God's will.
It is in the practice.
Chukudi, it is in the practice. I don't hear you.
God's will.
Godswill,
Please.
talk to us. Godswill, good morning.
Good morning.
Right now, they hear you.
I beg, Good morning.
Good morning.
I work.
Would they try?
Okay. I beg. I just want to contribute on this matter.
Okay.
This
Law what they want to introduce for Kaduna here?
in Kaduna area, every fire issue. Bros, see, if you know the matter, you know the matter. I tell you my truth. You know why?
Why?
There are so many things to talk about. We talk about our budget. We will never even fit. We
dey talk of unemployment. Wetin dey make people go dey do 9VG? No be say they no get work.
At the verse, at the provoke for this thing. Because if this man, we will call him Rufai, go fit do this kind of thing. Well, bro, this guy, I can say this guy is not educated. Because he won't just cause problem for this country. And imagine Kaduna, you know, say Kaduna, we have more Christians than the Muslims in Kaduna.
Okay, well, they hear you.
A very big problem. So many souls go. I have brothers and sisters that is in Kaduna. What I'm saying is that I don't want this kind of thing to cause a problem. It's unfair. We see jobs. See, no job. See boys, see graduates. People, they go camp this month. People may pass out last month, February. People, they go into... See, bros, in this country, I beg, let's find a way. If you don't know it...
Oga Godswill, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Okay, but we even can check. You say, make person no listen to religious material, maybe for inside the motor, but if he listen to them for house. If the content of that religious material, now still the one when we say they talk, say, our religion,
now be the best.
What you should, at the best, what you should do is, now we respect people pass for this country because of religion. Oh, daddy in the Lord. Oh, my daddy, my father. Oh, the man that sits next to God. He get God.
We don't hear right on.
Now, what do you go do now? Inculcate the practice of say, if indeed your religion, as you dey push am, na religion of peace, make we dey begin dey see that peace for una character. I go still talk am anyway, say, our law don already talk am clear. Wetin go happen when extremism dey? No be for the very eye. See the case of El Zakzaky.
Excuse
me. See the case of El Zakzaky. Do you know that National Rufai go visit this same El Zakzaky? Picture come out of two of them for January.
Yes.
Before elections.
You see, our law don't stand and say or don't state in all this on the issue of religion accepted.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
This same law where they talk of don't day on for how long? But even in this same mix of say this law there, a lot of religious crises never play out.
Thank you very much. Even though we get laws against slander and libel, people don't use social media to bring down a particular government. They don't use that spread falsehood or deceit. Why we say now they come to say social media don't get problems? See, this is very, very clear.
So what is, for me, the only thing I will keep typical standing, okay, consultation, but something will make sure that they regulate something to a particular, so you go feel avoid
the one when our constitution already puts down. See what people they call, they talk, say, if you continue with this thing, it will cause problem. God servant is calling us from Delta. Hold it. God servant, good morning.
Good morning. Shubudi.
Oga God servant, I greet you.
Yes, this topic on a carry concern a good topic.
Thank you, sir.
If you see what did happen for Nigeria now, what all of us they experience, even before the election and after the election now, it good say make we all the work towards peace.
Thank you.
And the government go to succeed.
Thank you.
But if you look at now in this kind of problem when we do so, look at where the Rufai they bring they come.
Thank you.
Not the problem they won't come for the country so.
Thank you.
You know that Kaduna, most Nigeria they are inside Kaduna.
Thank you.
Many people inside Nigeria, Delta State, Bayelsa, they inside Kaduna.
Thank you.
Yes.
When they bring this kind of law, they come. The law, our constitution already give us the guidelines. Say everybody gets right for freedom
to
of
practice. Yes, you know, this stop you from not practicing your religion.
Which one be constitution? One won't come because not play Christian record, not play Muslim record inside your district. All these things are confusion. Make it face infrastructure.
But Oga God servants.
Allow and drop in points now. Allow and drop points.
Make it face development.
If they finish you with points, you won't cut out.
Why
you won't cut out when they finish you with points?
Why you go talk say they finish you with points?
Oga God servant, thank you very, very much. You don't already finish this matter. Make we rush enter break. When we go this break, come and continue our discussion.
See,
Halima from Kaduna, Dorcas from Kaduna. Welcome back to As in the Heart From here where we stand, so now the final bus stop on top today program, and we dey see so and the matter what we dey discuss now religious regulations and the one when they happen inside Kaduna State at the moment. The bill when we say they won't put into law to use restrict or censor or regulate some kind of way when we say we go behave inside religion things for inside Kaduna State. This particular bill they generate plenty debate and plenty people dey argue say it get plenty issues when we say religion not cause for this country. If you want address them, not be for this kind bill. It don't enter people mind already, and those when we say they propagate this kind of anger and everything when they happen inside our society. But now the matter we see they discuss and we they collect calls, make you they talk them as it hurt.
Well, it is obviously from most of our callers we call still stand on the fact say look. There are better issues where Oga first supposed to address rather than say you want to bring in some regulations to at least to curb religious practices for Kaduna State. Accepted because now that opinion and most of the callers we don't get from Kaduna so far don't also do it. Don't also drop the same opinion. But it seems we also don't get some callers who also talk to look. It is a good idea. Say, okay, this thing, say introduce and at least you go feel also help curb. But because of say we get a larger people we talk, say, look, this no good, no be the main way the government is supposed to address. Then I think and if we go look based on people's voices, we go see say yes, people's voices they tune towards it.
There is nothing wrong with this particular law. Because you dey talk say this law now like say you dey not be today the thing start, it don't day before. But we dey talk say if this particular law don't day before. Why you can't think say okay oh it don't day before issues don't they happen you can't want bring new one in when we say go even make the thing they complicated say person no go fit listen to religious material inside the own motor. We agree say okay noise pollution people they use noise they shout they cause problem reduce and make you not affect other people. If your religion preach tolerance you go accept them. But when you can't begin to put certain restrictions knowing the kind of volatile situation who could be Sunday from Jos. No, I'm not talking again. Sunday from Jos. Good morning.
Sunday, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Chikudi.
Good morning,
I agree to your guy Sunday.
Yes, I'm talking. Yes, this is Sunday talking.
Yeah, would they hear you?
I beg this issue of this El-Rufai imposing that law in Kaduna State is not it's not a good issue to bring.
Okay, Sunday, you did there? Hello, Sunday.
Religious kind of thing on it. This thing will cause a serious trouble in Kaduna State, not even Kaduna alone, but global war. Let him restrict, focus his attention, focus his on infrastructure, on employment issue, but not the issue of important law. Listen to Christian music or some issue entirely. Thank you.
Okay, Sunday, thank you very much
for that contribution.
For this your important contribution. You don't talk about the way the team be. Halima, they call us back from Kaduna. Halima, good morning and welcome back to Aside Hot.
Halima, welcome back.
The governor, they show us obviously say all these politicians no get religion. Because this thing is not trying to put people morally and religiously well. If he doesn't have religion, it's fine for him. He should leave people to worship their God. He should focus on other things, not to cause trouble to people that are living peacefully. Already, Kaduna has suffered a lot.
Halima, in fact, the way they draw this your point, just like say something, they take a personal, they vex you seriously. Unto say you be indigenous of Kaduna, and over time, now don't experience different crises there. Now you're from your own mind, if you say this is not the best thing where the governor is supposed to bring in, because it will not still say no go even do these things. What
do you do? You don't talk. Where you stand exactly? Where you stand?
Look, in this case,
are you for or against?
I'm a Nigerian. And
no, you are a Cameroonian.
Anybody they bring law.
You are from Lesotho.
They introduce law. I'm going to need to at least make we also check the law. Make we know where the law will fit in. At least now where I stand. There's nothing wrong introducing a law. But where I still stand on it, where I tend to have an issue is at least say consult. But if law will help regulate certain things, religious act for a particular place, I don't have an issue with that.
All the religious crisis we will not get for Nigeria and Kaduna especially. Waiting they cause them intolerance.
Okay.
Waiting they cause them impatience.
With the federal law, where
Musa they call us from Kaduna.
Get those crises.
Musa they call us from Kaduna.
Musa, good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, Musa.
Yeah, so you see, I want to contribute on this thing.
Will they hear you right on?
if you understand carefully, you understand that in the north, or rather in Nigeria, Kaduna has been the center of religious crisis over time.
Okay.
Right from 1987 through 2000, there has been religious crisis until the coming of McCarthy. McCarthy was a person that brought up policies and measures to control all these things.
Okay.
El-Rufai has no business with this. For God's sake, there is Bureau of Religious Affairs, Christian Matters. There is Bureau of Religious Affairs, Islamic Matters. These are bodies, designated bodies to regulate religious activities. They are there, they are working. What is he coming up with something now to do?
Who could be answer?
No. He's throwing a general question.
Kaduna, we know what is happening. You will not just come and say that I shouldn't play. Religion should not be tempered with. It should not be aligned on the same line with politics. This is politics. This is governance. It has no line. It has no connection with religion. Religion is a personal thing. And you see, Nigerians are too religious. If you want anything to come up and bring problem in Nigeria,
use religion. Thank you.
Temper with religion.
Thank you.
So you are starting on a line that will bring problem. And you see, as volatile as Nigeria is and as sensitive as Kaduna is, anything that happens today in Kaduna can easily escalate to all parts of this country.
Of course.
So El-Rufai, there is no just reason. There is nothing good about the what is he bringing it for?
Okay, Musa.
People, nobody has told Kaduna people to live in peace together.
Thank you very much for this opinion. You don't bring this thing, break and down, give us analysis on top of this matter, and we appreciate them. We got Sheung the callers from Zaria. Good morning, Sheung.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Okay, Sheung, I greet you.
Elio, Uncle B, I know they greet you.
Who they hear you, Sheung, right now? Who they hear you?
This matter where they happen so, Nazaria, now they come from.
Thank you. We know.
El-Rufai, number one, na misplacement of priority in the area. Because religious matter, now something where they different from all the things we're supposed to do for Kaduna State. Workers, you never pay them their salary. Me, I not be one of the workers anyway. You can't carry religious matter, come out, say, before pastor go preach, you will give a license.
Or imam.
You will give a license. Now, tell me, if they can't stay inside their house, they don't use microphone. If they won't teach the stupid thing, they don't go teach them.
Thank you. Bad things. Thank you.
Bad things, where they don't go use microphone.
Thank you.
All you need to do is to create an avenue for religious tolerance.
Oh!
So that people can live in harmony.
Thank you.
You keep that one aside. You can't carry one thing.
Law. Make them know hear CD for inside moto.
Think of how to move the state forward. How to increase your IGR. Now, religious matter, you just want to do abracadabra for people. 4 years go past, they find re-election again. I beg.
Sheung from Zaria, thank you very, very much. Ukubi, at this juncture, I need to give my vote of thanks. Because all our callers, now today, we stamp, say, as in the hot. Not be just the #1 program when they inside Obodo Nigeria, but we they represent the interests of everybody inside this country. How many people call us all the way from Kaduna where this issue they involve? Dorcas, Halima, Olatunsi,
a lot of them, yes.
And when some of them they talk about this particular issue, I talk am here say if you want address, it just be like unemployment. You talk say, oh, unemployment na problem for this particular country. Oh, how we go take address the issue of unemployment? First and foremost, you go break down into people when we get people when we say they qualify to do this particular work. These people when we say maybe they don't qualify but see what they want to do. You go begin they allot to every position what the person go do rather than come say unemployment na problem. Oh yeah, everybody can't do this particular work because you talk say you won't give everybody work. This is it's not rocket science. It's commonsensical.
Chukudi, we don't do you. We don't hear commonsensical. It is not rocket science. Accepted. We don't hear it. And then going by waiting, majority of our callers, just as I talked before, everybody says stand on the ground. Say, look, this is not the appropriate thing where Oga El-Rufai supposed to address.
Misplaced priorities.
There are other relevant issues where you're supposed to do it.
When go help us with tolerance.
Say the issue of religion, tolerance go even ensure say at least we will fit see ourselves as brothers and sisters of the same country, rather than say you want to bring in things that go divide us as members of a state. Okay, thank you very much on today's edition of this program. And from me will be Chunkubi till we bring another matter coming away again tomorrow. What we'll give that their sequel edition. From me, Chukudi. I don't tell them about
It's finished.
What is finished?
All the people when call us already talk am.
No,
it's all over.
Chukudi, we need to just...
You are finished. I finished you on today's edition.
Don't tell me. Don't they tell me.
No, it's clear.
Don't they tell me that.
Is it not clear?
What is clear then?
That you will know.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.